In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this template from Workload, and this template will deploy an automated workflow that will update existing estimates for a job in ServiceTitan when an eBid is updated in PEP Cloud. So this keeps your estimate and eBids in sync when there are changes being made after it's already been created. So the first thing you're going to do is when you're on this page, click on the blue button that says use this workflow. So you'll click on that, and what will happen, it will deploy this workflow into your Workload account. It'll set it up exactly like this. You'll see the same thing that's in this video. And what we'll do is we'll come in here into the PEP Cloud trigger for when an eBid is updated. So we're going to click into step 1, and we're going to choose an account. And you may have a blue box here that says sign in to PEP Cloud. If you have that, all you'll do is enter your API key. Instructions on how to find your PEP Cloud API key are right here in this text. It's really simple. You'll paste it in this box and hit yes, continue. If you've already used PEP and Workload together, you may have a drop down of accounts that looks like this. So just select the appropriate account. For me, it's number 3. And you'll hit continue and click on this button that says customize triggered data, and you'll see a pop-up appear here that's asking for a JSON object. If you come back here to your template page on the Workload site, you'll see here under additional resources this JSON object. So we're going to copy this all the way from this top squiggly bracket. I'm just going to copy this all the way down to the end where this other squiggly bracket is. I'm going to hit Control-C to copy that. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste it in this box, and I'm going to hit Submit. So now we have our sample data for updating estimates later on in this workflow. So we'll save and close that next step. Nothing to do here. We're going to click into step 3, search estimates in ServiceTitan, and we're going to make sure that our ServiceTitan account is connected. So for me, it's ServiceTitan 1. If you see the blue button here that's asked to sign in to ServiceTitan, just click it, and essentially this will appear, this pop-up, and fill in your tenant ID, your client ID, and your client secret from the Workload API integration tab. The ServiceTitan API integration tab. So for me, I'm just going to select my ServiceTitan number 1. I'm going to hit continue, and this action, nothing to do. It's already been pre-configured. I'm going to hit continue, and I'm not going to hit test and verify. I'm just going to close out the step. And then all these blue steps here, we can leave those alone as well. And we're going to come here down to this next action. We're going to select our account for removing painting materials from the ServiceTitan estimate. Make sure you have your account connected. Just select it from the drop down, hit continue, and then just close out. And then go to step number 8 here, this next ServiceTitan action. This will update the estimate in ServiceTitan. Same thing, we're just going to select our account, make sure you have the right ServiceTitan account selected, hit continue, and then go to the bottom here and hit continue, and then close that step. And then finally, we're going to remove the old labor line ID from that estimate. So just make sure that your account is selected again, hit continue, and then close this out. And now finally, what we're going to do is we're going to click this button here to turn it on. So mine's already on, but for you, you may need to click it to activate the workflow, and then just hit back to the dashboard, and you should start seeing the history of this workflow populate when you update an eBid. You can test this out, and it should be a near real-time execution of this workflow. Thank you.